If you are looking for a free Midjourney alternative that matches your vision, and if you want to generate professional images with perfect results in easy way, so you welcome to CG Dream, where AI and 3D come together to create stunning images. With CG Dream, you have access to over 300 filters to optimize your images and unleash your creativity. And the best part is you get all of this for free. To use this tool, go to Google and search for CG Dream. This is CG Dream interface. With this tool, we have access to various AI tools like text to image, image to image, 3D to image, image to 3D, AI filters, upscaling, and inpainting that we will discuss in moments. To start using CG Dream, click on Start Generating for free, and you will guide to the Gallery tab. To start using this tool, you could use these gallery images as a guide. For example, let's click on the switch image. One of the amazing features of this tool is mixing, and we could use previous generated images and we could change included prompt for each image and make it our own. For using this, I will change the prompt to a beautiful witch with ice blue eyes and gray hairs standing next to her large black dragon on a temple. And by using mixing feature, we have the same prompt and we could use these filters that previous users generate them. And if we have a quick review to the term of service, according to the 5th term of general material section, users has a worldwide royalty-free sub-license to use or modify public images and text for non-commercial purposes. We could set image aspect ratio using sidebar here. I want to set 2 as number of image variations, and we could choose the quality mode or fast mode. Let's generate this. And as you see, we have successfully created our first 2 AI images using CG Dream easily. CG Dream upscale feature. You could upscale your images to 2x by clicking this button here, and after upscaling your image, the upscaled button will appear in the left side. Let's preview this image. Let's zoom in on this dragon, and as you see, this tool adds amazing details to our dragon, and you could access to your generations using My Images tab here. These are some of my previous generations. You could download AI generated images using this button here, and also you could add these images to your favorites, and your favorites are accessible using favorites tab here. These are some of my favorite images. Now let's find out how to generate our own filters to get to these amazing results using CG Dream. And now let's explore CG Dream AI filters. Let's add a professional prompt that I prepared for this video. I want to paste it here. Now I want to add my custom filters to this image. You could use filters by clicking this button here. And when you paste text in the prompt box, CG Dream will use AI to suggest some filters to you. And also you could search your desired filters. For this example, I want to search for gold. And I want to choose this golden filter. Also, I want to choose this adamant filter as well. And because this prompt is about a Median goddess, I want to search for woman. And I find out if you want realistic images, it's better to select woman realistic filter. I want to use this bioluminescence filter as well. And I want to add some diamonds. Let's choose diamonds filter, and you could use 5 filters at the same time for an image. To control each filter strength, you could use these sliders. Let's click on Dream of button as well for better results, and we end up with this beautiful median. I'm pretty happy with the final results. And actually, if you go back to the gallery and scroll down, you will see CG Dream add my image to the gallery and the community starting to react to this image. After more experience with filters, I wish to this angel with this prompt and these settings. I've tried some art styles like double expose, so realism, Japanese watercolor style, cinematic style, Japanese anime, and Pixar style, and I will share more styles and prompts at the end of this video, so stick around for more results. And for now, let's continue to explore inpainting feature. If you click on your previous generations, always you could modify the prompts and the filters to change the results. One of the amazing features of 3D Dream is inpainting, and to use it, click on inpaint icon here. You could reset your mask using this button, and you could adjust the brush size. I want to add an umbrella here. I will add a steampunk gold and brown umbrella prompt here, and let's click on inpaint button. And as you see, this tool did a great job in adding this steampunk umbrella to this image. This is before and this is after. Now let's explore image to image feature. One of the other features of 3D Dream is image to image, and you could use upload button here to upload your own images or 3D files. I want to upload one of my Leonardo images, and I want to add a black model fashion photography pose, and let's add a woman realistic. I want to add fur and dark magic filters, and I don't change the default filters strength. Also, you could change the image guidance by using this slider. I will leave these sliders at the default, and let's generate this image to image, and we end up with this mesmerizing result. And this tool uses filters to add fur and new style to our model. This is before and this is after. And finally, let's explore 3D to image and Dream Up feature. There are two ways to use 3D Dream 3D feature. The first way is uploading your own 3D models using this upload button and add your GLB or FBX 3D models. Also, you could use 3D Dream 3D models using this button here, and a bunch of free 3D models available here. I want to choose this 3D car model, and now you could rotate this 3D model by press and holding your mouse left click. I want to set it to this position, and let's paste a prompt: a cutting edge concept car with 15-inch wheels and laser lights. First of all, let's add some filters. I want to use car concept and cityscapes. Also, this tool has a Dream Up feature that will enhance our prompts by using this button here. Let's change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and set the image variations and generate this using Dream Up button. And as you see, we end up with these amazing results. And our prompt improved by Dream Up feature, and this tool uses AI to add more specific details to our prompt to get more professional results. And if you use 3D model to generate your images, you could submit this to the challenge, and you could access to the challenges in the challenge tab here. And all of these guys are submitted their images to the challenge. And if you click on rules and prizes, as you see, we have 22 days to submit our images to 3D Dream 3D to image challenge by clicking on this challenge icon. And if you rank on a challenge, you could earn money from $50 for third place to $300 for first place. And if you have a look to the pricing tab, you are limited to 1,200 images per month. But you couldn't use this 40 images per day at once. And actually, you could generate a couple images per hour. And I'm pretty sure that after sharing these professional full prompts with the filter configurations, you never try another AI image generators, including Midjourney. I spent several hours to achieve these results, and feel free to ask for full prompt text in the comments. And thanks for supporting channel with your likes, comments, and of course subscribing channel. And please share this video link with your friends to join us in One Click Tutorials AI adventure.